How's that for a start of a video, folks? Let's look what's going on. We got a 68 GMC got dropped off here. And the owner of this truck, I know, she's a little rough, she's a little rusty, but she's very trusty. Brand new 307 engine rebuilt, brand new tranny, good diff, all new nice tires, new brakes, new exhaust. This guy's doing it the right way. Taking care of the running gear first. Then, obviously, what's next? Taking care of some rust. So he brought it in. I'm going to be putting front and rear cab mounts in it, inner and outer rockers, and cab corner. The other side, somebody's already done the outer rocker, but we're going to do the front and rear cab mount supports on that, and the cab corner on it. Then he's got a good solid cab. Good solid cab for that good solid running gear he's got going on. GMC. Big old GMC. Cool old truck, 4-speed. Don't know what else to tell you. That's all we can tell you about that one. I can get the hood open here a bit. It's kind of underneath this car. We'll see. There you go. You can just see the engine in there. The 69 Camaro. Can't really show you much, but remember it had a cutout dash because it was a race car? Well, it's got a brand new welded in dash. Complete floor, as you know, you saw in past videos, and the seat risers are in now. There's the floor. Remember this one? Did the complete floor. Front all the way to back. All in there. That is what's going on there. The 72. The old 72 Buick here. It's ready to go to Sean for body work. But he's kind of tied up for a week or two, so if the owner's out there watching, I'm sorry, you're going to have to leave her sit for a week or two. Alright, that's what's going on there. Well, we'll get around here to the other side. Let me shut this camera off for a second, and we'll show you what else is happening out here. Alright, I'm back at you now. So, what we also got going on is the little 54 Ford. We're getting everything put together on it. Got the front bumper on there, got the bumper guards, got the grille, the headlight doors, all that kind of stuff, all the hood chrome, the mirrors, got the windshield put in it today, wipers on it, basically everything. Got to put the door locks in it, got the door locks left, the rear bumper guards, and get the door panels on the inside. Got the dash all back together. That's all done. Got all the back door panels on, all that kind of stuff. So let me get that. I'll jack it up in the air. I'll take the tires and wheels off, and I'll clean up them white walls the best I can. I got some nice white wall cleaner here. Get them all cleaned up. And there we go. Nice bumper on the back. Just got to put the guards on the back still. Then she's ready to rock and roll. She is out of here. So she'll be going out of here next week. And that's perfect because I got another one coming in. And as you can see, it's raining today. It's not supposed to, but it is. But it's nice and warm. It's not bad. It's like, you know, I don't know, 20, 19, 20. So that's like 60 or 70 in Fahrenheit. The Camaro. We blew it all back apart, the 1980 Camaro. Touched up a few spots. It's all in final primer. Now we're going to be doing the black up on here, the satin black. Then we're going to be painting door jambs and the trunk jambs. And then we're going to be putting her back together. And then she'll be going for paint. So that's what's happening there. So that is looking good, good, good. And the Fairlane, it's going in the shop tomorrow. We're going to bring the Galaxy, I should say. We're going to bring that in the shop tomorrow. We're going to fit the hood on it. Get the hood fitted on it. And then once we know the hood fits, then we're going to blow this all apart. And get all the jams and stuff ready to go. So that's what's going on there. Yeah, I don't know what else to tell you. Do not know what else to tell you. That's it. That's where we're taking it on this wet day. But the good news is the rain just started like an hour ago. It's not supposed to rain much. It's very light rain. So we're just getting a little bit. And then starting Friday, the temperature is back up to 29 right through all next week. They're apparently saying that we're supposed to have this kind of weather where I am living in BC, Chilliwack, BC. It's supposed to be like this until the end of October, which is fine with me. I love it. Keep winter away as long as you can. Shove that winter straight up your fucking hokey ass, because I don't want winter. Anyway, that's all that's going on today. So, hey, it's always good time at old time. I gave you a little quick shop there, peek there at the beginning. Thought I would get y'all going. and show you what's happening. And yeah, that's it. Hey, it's always a good time at Old Time. We'll see you next time.